This model has a flat hair texture, and I want to create a visually voluminous effect for her hair. Using Vern Texturizing Scissors 6EA and 6EB together with Vern Bridge. Texturizing at the roots and mid-lengths will add support at the roots to make the hairstyle look fluffy, while reducing volume in the mid-lengths enhances lift, making the hairstyle appear lighter. Using Vern Cutting Scissors 6B and 6E combination to cut the hair length. This combination of scissors allows for a quick cut to achieve the desired hair length, while creating a full, thick finish at the ends. Using 2 pairs of Vern Curved Scissors 6N with the Vern Both-Handed Faultless Cutting Technique. Using 2 Vern Curved Scissors is highly effective for creating layered, feathered cuts. When using the right hand to cut on the other side, you may encounter physical limitations. At this point, the Vern Both-Handed Faultless Cutting Technique provides a complete solution. By using the left hand, you can avoid any physical limitations and easily achieve symmetrical results on both sides. For the bangs, use a slanting cut to establish the length, or you can also cut it horizontally to set the desired length. On the outer layer of the hairstyle, slant texturizing techniques create space and wispy effects. The other side can be completed using the left hand, making it both simple and easy. This technique is recommended for every hairstylist to master. For the top section, concentrate the hair and use a slanting cut to achieve a perfectly pointed effect at the ends.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.